Hey everyone, David Share from the Cinema Network, bring you a bunch of new articles on the Online Keno tips site, and yeah, these particular articles will deal more so with different aspects of Keno, and yeah, contain various bits of advice, tips, and strategies on playing the game. So there you go. First new article we have is great advice on playing Keno online. So yeah, just gives you some advice on playing the game online in general. And the second new article we have is why playing Keno can be relaxing. So yeah, it just goes into the various relaxing parts of the game itself. And the third new article we have is different aspects of Keno. So yeah, just following on from the previous article, it just goes more so into the general aspects of the game that one would normally experience. And the fourth new article we have is Keno tips and strategies for keen players. So it's more so for yeah, for keen players, more experienced players, that sort of stuff. And yeah, it just goes a bit into the history of the game as well, to give you a bit of background on how it all started. So yes, I have a few more articles being released for this site later on tomorrow, and until that happens, this has been David signing off.